Today at shop.com, we're going to be talking about LED puddle light installations on our B8.5 S4. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about puddle light installations. We're going to be showing you how to do it. Super simple. There are two different ones currently out for these cars, and these pretty much fit most applications. There are two different part numbers that we have for this style, and then there's two different part numbers for the other style, which almost blankets all current Audi models from, you know, the late 2000s up until current day. So there are two different ones available for each section of those. One of them is a Quattro text that actually has, and then the other one is actually the Audi ring. So we're going to show you how to install them. The installation is the same, the process is going to be the same, and you can take a look at the different versions that we have shown here. Okay, so before we go ahead with our install, if you're not familiar with where puddle lights are, they are underneath your door here, which you can see in the light that actually comes out there. This is a light we're going to be replacing, and they come on as you're either opening your doors and that type of stuff when you're coming home. So this is going to be kind of what the light that comes on as you open your door, you'll see it projecting onto the ground. So let's go ahead and start with our install. Okay, so here we are. We're looking at our light here. This is the light we're going to be replacing, and here is our LED light. This is the Quattro one. They will say it on here. It says Quattro in text there. If you were doing the one with the Audi rings, it would actually have Audi rings there instead. This one specifically, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this text on video, but it does say links/left. This is the driver's side. Left on any vehicle for parts reasons is always going to be the driver's side of the vehicle. So left is driver's side, right is passenger side, and this is more specifically important if you're using the one that has a Quattro, because it is text, so you're going to want to read it from left to right, from the inside of the car out. If you were to flip it around to the other side, it's going to be upside down if you're looking at it from inside the car. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to replace this. And it's real simple. All we're going to do is take our 45-degree pick, which if you don't have picks, we can link to them in the description where you can find them. And if this is on, it's going to be pretty hot, so you're going to be careful. It's going to be hot mostly up top and on the sides here. If you grab the front edge here, it's going to be less hot. So we're going to grab it there. You also can grab like a rag or something like that and wrap it around there. And then you can take it and pry. And then you can just pop it off like so. Now we're going to take our new one, plug that in, slide it in place, pop it in just like so, and we're all set. Now that we've completed the driver's side, you can do the same process for the passenger side. And now that we've done that, we've completed our LED puddle light install with the OEM Audi lights. Again, we chose the Quattro ones. The Audi rings actually are brighter, so that is something to take note of if you are looking at these. And I will link to in the description below the multiple versions that we have. Again, there are 4 total versions that they have available, which blankets almost all current Audi models. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more like it.